Hello student, now let us see problem number 13 problem. Okay, what the problem is student, the bond dissociation energy of AB molecules is 300 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so energy they have given student. Firstly you see what is given student, that is one bond is there and this bond is there DAB, and this energy for this one, for breaking this energy, E is there student. How much energy they are giving? 300 kilojoule per mole. Up now student, 300 kilojoule per mole means what student? Means you have to 300, okay, into kilojoule means multiply by 1000, that is 10 power 3, 10 power 3, divided by 1 mole is there student, per mole. So I want to calculate in joule, not okay. So how much will come student? You see the energy here, you multiply by mole. So 6.022 into 10 to power 23. So you, if you student, if you subtract this one, if you divide this one, so what you will get? 0.4, you are getting 498 into 10 to power minus 20, 10 to power minus 18, 18 there, 10 to power minus how much student? 10 to power minus 18, and this is the joule. How joule student? Firstly see student in this problem, what is there in this problem. So first of all what we have to see student, it is there in kilojoule per mole. So we need to convert into joule. So kilo means 10 power 3, and mole means what student? Divided by Avogadro number. So we got this many of joule. So energy we got student, that we got the energy. Now student, what we know, they are saying that is the number of moles, the number of moles of photon, the number of moles of photon wavelength they have given student. How much lambda they have given student? Whatever given student, that we are writing. So lambda is given student, lambda. So lambda equal to how much is given student? 6 is there student. 6, again 6 is there. 625. 6625, it is in the angstrom. 625 angstrom. If you simplify, you convert into meter. So it will come student 6625 into 10 to power minus 10 meter. Okay student. So lambda you got student. Required to dissociate 3 moles of AB molecule. Okay. So again the number of moles they are asking student. The number of moles of what student? Photons required. Okay. The number of photons of wavelength this much required to dissociate 3 mole of heavy molecule. Okay student. So one equation we know student. What equation? E equal to, okay, n, this is you can say n hc by lambda, nhc by lambda, and it is n, capital N, you know student, capital N is what student? Number of photon. Okay, so that is capital N is equal to number of photon. Up here student, one more thing information is given. 3 moles of AB, 3 moles of AB. For 1 mole energy, for 1 mole energy, how much is given student this much? So for 3 mole of energy, no, 1 E equal to student, always keep in mind student. So 1 E is equal to how much given student? This many we got. So 3 mole of AB. So that is, it will come in the formula student 3, okay, 3E is equal to N and Hc by lambda. And this number of photon they are asking, number of moles of photon they are asking, N, number of moles of photon, this is number of moles of photon, don't get confused student, number of moles of photon. So that is, from this formula what we can write student, that is capital N is equal to 3 into what is student? 3 into E into lambda, 3 into E into lambda, divided by what will come student? That is HC. Now student, you keep the plugging the value in this formula. So if you are plugging the value student, how much you will be able to get? So N value, that is, here is the 3. So let it be, that is capital N is equal to, that is 3, into E value. Here we have calculated on the top, student. How much we have calculated? 0.498. 0.498 into 10 की power minus, how much is there, student? 10 power minus 18. 10 power minus 18 multiply by lambda value we have already calculated here, student. That is 6625. So we can mention here, student, this is lambda value. Student, here is 6625 into 10 ki power how much, student? Minus 10. Okay, divided by what will come, student? Planck constant. Planck constant will, student, 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. Okay, student. And see speed of light. So speed of light value 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, right, student? So what we will be doing is, student, that is we have to simplify this, and if you are able to simplify you will get the answer, student. So let us simplify here, student. How we can simplify? You see, student, this value 6625 and 6625 is cancel out, and from there 30 we have to borrowed. Okay, so what will come, student? 3, no, 3 is there here. Okay, student, 3 into what is there, student? This 3 also it is cancel out, student. This 3 cancel out. So what is actually left here, our student? If you check out, so what is left here? If you erase, let me erase, student. Eraser. So if you are erasing this, so what is left, student? It is left out 4.498 into what is, student? 10 power minus 18, and this 10 power minus 10 minus 10, and this 34 will go top, that is plus 34, and this here is was 5 because 3 I have taken to remove the decimal. So here is the it will go on top, that is minus 5. So how much is coming, student? It will come, if you see, that is point, no, if I am removing the point, student, what we can do, student, that okay, let me be 498 into 10 power c, student, that is minus 18 minus 10 minus 5. So how much will come, student? Minus 18 and no, c, student, minus 28 minus 5 plus 34, right, student? So again you simplify, student. 0.498 multiply by what, student? This one, that is 23. 10 power minus 33 plus 34. So how much coming, student? You see, student, that is now we got the zero point 0.4. Okay, student, 98 into 10. So how much is coming, student? 4.98, and 4.98 student means what is, student? 5. So capital N value, how much we are getting, student? Capital N value we are getting 5. So correct option will be option number C, student. What is the option number 4 is there? Option number 4 is the correct option. 10 that is 5. N value 5. This is very easy, student, but only calculation problem is there. Otherwise you will be able to solve this problem. This, you know, this formula. You know this formula. E is equal to whatever is there, student. E is equal to NSC by lambda, that we already taught for the n number of photon. So here n we have to calculate. For 3 mole already they given energy for 3 mole. 3 mole of AB molecule. For 1 mole AB molecule we have to got here, student. For 3 mole we multiply this by 3. So 3 is equal to NSC by lambda. So n is equal to, that is cross multiplied, student. Cross multiply 3e into lambda by hc. And now n equal to this, all the value you keep top and bottom, plug in the value, and then simplifying the power you will get n is equal to 5. Thank you so much for watching, friends.